Hello everyone. Well, we took the side casing off and here it is.
It is a little bit dirty.
As you can see, there's certain somebody spilled oil all over the
Oops.
floor.
No, not me. Lol. But yep, that will be all clean, good as new. The belt looks roughly newish. And the rollers, well, there's no flat spots whatsoever. I thought I opened that and I don't know, the belt would shred or blah blah blah, but nothing.
We
Oh,
are
goody
taking the
goody.
clutch over to our mates tomorrow, ain't we?
Yeah, we're taking the clutch over to have a look and all that, so that's all good. And like, subscribe, follow, and a comment. Please, please, please share to all your friends and family all over the world. Thank you. Peace out.